There are several ways to shoot with the GoTo, and in this video we're going to look at how to use the charge case as a remote control. So let's get straight to it. Open up the charge case, and the charge case should connect to your GoTo automatically if they've been paired before. Now press the record or the mode button to wake the GoTo up. You can now cycle through the menu and select the shooting mode that you want to use, and you do this by pressing the mode button, which is the button on the right. If you want to change the specific settings of each shooting mode, then you can press and hold the record button. So if we select Pro Video for example, and then we press and hold the record button, it will bring up a sub menu where we can change the frame rate, the color profile, the field of view and the resolution. And the really good thing here is that once you're in the sub menu, you can then access the sub menu for every other shooting mode. So from the top of this sub menu where it says Pro Video, press the record button once again and it will scroll through the other sub menus for the other shooting modes. And to turn the case off, you simply close it. The Bluetooth connection between the case and the camera is automatic, and it has a range of approximately 10 meters. If you're using your camera on a remote control car or on your pet for example, I wouldn't use the charge case as a remote control. I would start and stop recording manually directly from the camera. And this is because it can go out of range too easily. Using the charge case as a remote control is designed for those situations where you have a constant, consistent distance between yourself holding the remote control and the camera. So using it on a tripod or in your car or on a helmet mount or something like that. This video is part of my complete beginner's guide to using the GoTo, which you can watch here. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. My name's Rich, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.